Umentri ke Sorkar bopej yakatanat puli puthi uba Lahkmen rumboi habakran hakabaide bakamat jong jingye jong nonghikai school adok ula pentep paka Sorkar kal dep ban yakran haka jingelang jong kenhon ki menteri lani ke cabinet meeting henrei ula pentep bakam shim lala ban shim rai yagarai bakhaddo bat kansara nopat hakawai ke jingelang jongka kabinet keban selongshan yakene uba Lahkmen ula penpau haka jingye kendo perkilat patai kubor hadien bola dep ka jingelang bat kinong kit kam jong ka fastam kabla long menta ka singi ka khundai tri ujliyo hapo ka shlem tri kam jong u ka badan na secretariat.
You see, this issue is a very long pending issue, and government have assured that increasing of salary will be done on the floor of the house, if you remember last session also, and the representative of the association have met our honorable chief minister on the 12th of May to and promise that it will be done and things will be discussed in the cabinet, and based on the promise of our honorable chief minister and the assurance of the government on the floor of the house, we have discussed in the cabinet to see the combination and permutation of the enhancement of salary to the ad hoc teachers. So I convey to them that the process is on, and hopefully in the next cabinet the government will able to finalize, because this is not a very easy decision which could be taken then and there. You know, in education it is a matter of recurring expense, and whatever decision which the government take, it should be able to implement. So that's why the honorable cabinet has discussed and could not finalize in the last day for yesterday. Then I have conveyed to them that it will be taken up in this cabinet, taking consideration of this development, which based on the promise of honorable chief minister and assurance of the government, I request that to cooperate with the government.